Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna, all of you, please open your Sanskrit book, page number 37. So today we are going to learn chapter number 6. That means in Sanskrit we can say Sastha Pathaha. That means chapter number 6. So what is the name of this chapter? See, Ashamoye Bachanam Hi Ghatakam. That means we can say untimely talking is the cause of death. Now see the story. Kurmaha Bakau cha Parasparam Mitrani Santi. Kurmaha means tortoise and Bakau means two herons. So one tortoise and two herons are friends of each others. Te saravare nivasanti. They live in a pond. Kadachit saravare jalani na santi. Saravar means pond and jalani means waters. So kadachit means sometimes. So sometime pond's water goes dry. Tadate annam sarabaram upo gachanti. Sarabaram upo gachanti. It's together sarabaram upo gachanti. Okay. Tadate anna sarabaram upo gachanti means then they are trying to go another pond. Now come to down. Bakau. That means those two herons are telling. Atra saravare jalam nasti. There was no water in the pond. Ataha bhojanamopi nasti. So there is no food. Now kurmaha. That means that tortoise. Tada boyong annatra gacchamaha. Then let's go somewhere else. Kintu yubam gagane chalatha aham bhumam. But you can go in the sky and I am on the ground. Katham vayam annatra gamishyamaha. So how we can go together somewhere else? Ekaha bakaha. Idam kastadannam sahayatam karoti. Actually, bako, that means herons. Herons can fly, but kurma, that means tortoise, can't. Am I right? So that is the main problem. How they will go together? Because tortoise cannot fly with them. So it is impossible to go together. Now they will think something how they can solve this problem. Now come, let's see how they can solve this problem. See, they are talking. Now they want to do the solve how all can fly together. See. Ekaha bakaha aye idam kastadandam sahayatam karomi. Hi, this wooden stick can help us. This wooden stick. Kurmaha katham, how. Anyaha bakaha, that means another heron. First heron and this is second heron. That means first heron is this one and anyaha bakaha is that one. So badami. Telling. Now go to the next page. That means page number 38. Bakaha kurmang kimopi kathayasti. That means one heron is telling to him the process. Okay, see, he is telling the process. Kurmaha sadantaihi kastadandam avalambate. So then the tortoise is holding the stick by his teeth. So tortoise with, after listening this, he will holding this stick by his teeth only. Now let's see. Bako kurmam nayataha. That means Two herons are taking the tortoise. See, two herons, how they are taking the tortoise. Tortoise in the middle and he is holding the stick with his teeth, and all the three are flying together. Now see the next one. Sarve tusnimev utpatanti. They all are flying in peacefully. Adaha balokaha kimopi vichitrang dishyang pasyanti prahasanti cha. Definitely this is the vichitra picture. Diversity scene. Am I right? Did you see? No, na? I also not saw before like this. But this is a great idea definitely, and this is definitely the diversity scene. So for those little boys and girls, they are enjoying this scene and they are laughing. So we can say that down, adha means down. So down, boys are smiling. Actually boys and girls, but here are two boys, that's why they are telling balokaha. So down, boys are smiling and seeing the diversity scene. Now Kurmaha, that means the tortoise. Already you know that he is holding this stick with his teeth. So he cannot talk and he cannot open his mouth. Am I right? But see what he is doing. See, Kurmaha, that means the tortoise only. Are kothong ayong kolahalaha asti. Hi, why this noise going on? Who is telling? The tortoise is telling. Oh God, now what it will be? Now let's see. Bako hung bachanena kurmang nibarayataha. That means two herons are going to stop the tortoise by hu sound. Because they are friends, na. He is doing the silly things, but their friend, these herons want to stop him by hu sound, because they also holding these things, this stick. That's why they also cannot talk. That's why they are hu means they want to tell that don't talk like this. They want to say, but they also can't say because they also holding with their mouth. That's why they are doing only that hu sound. Kintu kurmaha badati. But tortoise is still talking. Nipatati vinasyati cha. He fell down and died. See, he fell down. From sky he fell down, na? That's why he died also. Ekah bakah. Are ki midam. What is this? Ayam chapalata parinamaha asti. This is the consequence of vivacity. Vivacity means chapalata. Okay. Now next. Anyaha bakah. Am twang sattang badasi. Yes. You are saying correct. Now go to the next page. Remember this, chapalata means vivacity. Okay. Page number 39 you have to open now. Now ekah bakah hanta priyang mitra madhuna nasti. Oh, our best friend is no longer alive. See, he is talking. Actually, that tortoise death na now. That's why they are telling like this. Anyaha bakah satyam asamaye vachanam hi ghatakam. That means it is true that untimely talking is the cause of death. So it is the name now, this story's name, that untimely talking is the cause of death. This is only the moral of the story. Or actually this is a proverb also. And you know that we cannot get the meaning as same as the sentence, line by line meaning we are not getting for the proverb. If as a proverb, we want to get the meaning. You will get it that inequality is the killer. In English, we are getting inequality is the killer. But in Sanskrit, we are telling asamaye vachanam hi ghatakam. But as a story, we are reading this proverb. That's why from line by line meaning only we have to say, because otherwise we will not get the proper meaning of this story. So you can say asamaye vachanam hi ghatakam. Untimely talking is the cause of death. Okay, this much only. I'll send you the picture.